Buffalo Check Chicks. So do you remember I bought these wreaths just a couple weeks ago for $5 at the Dollar Tree? And they are pretty, but I want to add some more flowers. Now I'm also going to be doing a little project using this mailbox that I also bought at the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to start by removing this burlap bow because I want this whole left side to be all flowers. And I'll probably exchange the bow for something different. Now I'm excited to use my new glue gun that I got at Christmas for the very first time. My other one was kaput. So isn't this neat? It comes in a nifty little case with glue sticks and some little, what are they called? Tongue depressors? I don't know, but it's pretty cool. So let me get started by removing this bow. And I'll figure something else to put there. Now here is my stash of flowers. And I've had them for a while. I'm sure they all came from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to start building the wreath, adding florals all the way down on the left side. So I'm also going to tuck some little sprigs of greenery throughout the wreath. And I think the more I add, the prettier it's starting to look. So here's a little comparison, and I really like the way it's starting to look with more flowers on it. Now both of these are going to hang on either side of my entertainment center out in my family room. So I'm going to try to make them look as close as possible. So I tucked some pretty little pink and red hearts among the flowers and tied on this cute red and white gingham bow. And I really love the way it turned out. So now I'm going to work on the other one, and then I'll come back and show you what I'm going to do with the little mailbox. So this is what it looks like hanging on the arch next to my entertainment center, and I couldn't be more pleased. Now, next, the mailbox. So I actually bought this little mailbox last year or the year before from the Dollar Tree. And it opens up, it's really cute, and I think what I'm going to do is put my little Valentine's cards to my grandchildren in there. So I have a red ribbon with white hearts and a lace. I may use both or just one, and I decided to use this little polka dot heart, and I will use just one of these sticks. I'm not sure which yet. And then I have some white paint. It's glass paint, but I'm going to use it anyways because I'm out of white and red paint. And the red paint, and then I have some pink paint. Now this here is a candle stand that I painted a long time ago I never use. So I'm going to use it on my mailbox project. And of course, I need a glue gun. So let's start with this little project. So I am going to paint this candle stand a bright red, And this is going to be a base for me to glue my mailbox onto. And I think it's going to be so cute. So I can see that it needs 2 coats. So I'm going to use my blow dryer to hurry things up because I'm a little bit impatient. And that way I can get my second coat of paint on right away. And here is how it turned out. So I painted this little craft stick white, and I am going to use it just like that. See how, I don't know what that's called. Mel's in, Mel's not here. And I painted the back side of the heart red. So I'll let that dry and then I will assemble everything. Okay, so I glued the craft stick right there, and I'm going to glue the heart right on top of it. Isn't this adorable? I just love this. My grandkids will love it. And I found a couple really old buttons in our sewing drawer, so I'm going to glue a pink one right there. And I glued it using Dollar Tree super glue, the gel, for a permanent hold, and a little hot glue for a hold right now so I can work on it. So that's what it looks like. I have that propped up, getting everything drying, and then I'll put the base on. So I've glued the base on, and it's off-centered intentionally because the front of the mailbox is a little heavier. But didn't it come out so cute? My grandchildren are going to love this. And what I plan on doing is a week before Valentine's Day, I will go out and get some cute little treats and snacks to put in their mailbox, so when they come home from school, they'll have a special treat from Nana. Now here's that burlap bow that I took off one of the wreaths, and I thought it looks so cute and matches the mailbox perfectly. I had to use it. So please let me know, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. I just love the way this turned out. So my first little treat that I'm gonna put in is going to be some little Tootsie Roll Pop suckers, because I know they will love them. So there it is, my little Valentine's mailbox. I love it. So there they are, 4 little suckers for my grandkids. And I want to thank all of you for stopping in and watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider joining our YouTube family. Okay, see you soon. Bye for now. Love you guys.